Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 3 plus 3 times 0 plus 3. Are you ready to solve this? Let's go down and solve this. 3 plus 3 times 0 gives us 0 because any number times 0 is 0 itself. And then 0 plus 3 equals 3. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, A and S stands for addition and subtraction. So first we have to do the multiplication, then the other addition operations are done from left to right. So according to the PEMDAS, first we have to multiply 3 times 0, which gives us 0. Then the addition of 3 is done after that, which equals 3 again. So here, 3 plus 3 gives us 6. So the answer is 6. Therefore, the correct answer will be 6. Did you answer 6 before this?